How do you feel about coming and doing light stand stuff? Thank you, Drew. Ugh.
Let's go be majestic as frack.
Yeah, let's go be super majestic, do crimes, eat trash. Nobody's paying me for today, thank God. Ah, fuck. D-E-A. Ah, it worked, okay. Woo. Magic. I don't really know the right way down here. That looks like light, yay! On the topic of feet, would you be cool doing it barefoot? Yeah? Okay. Thanks, May. Cool, so yeah, we'll just like tip your head a little bit more towards the light. Nice. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's so pretty. I thought you said I'm distracting you with my beard, and I was like, I shaved it today. Okay, Drew, I'm gonna get you over here. Let's just see what it looks like when we light you from this side. But you also sewed the fucking outfit. You're kind of like, I'm a talentless hack. I'm just standing here with my great genetics and amazing sewing skills. Maybe don't hug, maybe like stretch. Yeah. I'm shooting with a 24mm lens, so we're doing like all the width, all the long parts. I do love the wind in the face, it's cool. I'm good with it. Shield made in life. Casually hanging out with my bestie, murder stabbies. Okay, don't die. Try to kill as few snails as possible. But look at you. Oh, that was really nice. Literally, when you're doing like natural stuff like that, it's just like, it's so pretty. That one's so good. Just like the way the fabric's going and like...
Slide head to...
Yeah. Well done.
Go team!
Well done, high five. Ha. So we can keep the strobe down here. We'll just prop it up somewhere. Yeah, and I'll turn it off so that we don't lose the battery. That's a great behind the scenes photo. So these ones you can drop your chin a little bit. It's really nice on the jawline, yeah. That was also anticlimactic, but it feels like there's another one coming. I mean, this looks fucking great though. Oh, maybe? Yeah, that's a good spot. I like that pose. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Drew. That's perfect. Oh, I hear something. Maybe. Oh, here we go, yay! Photos in the background is just Curtis gets washed out to sea. Ah, Kit, you look so great. It's real nice.
I'd lick you.
I'd lick you. Come on, waves, give us some magic. Exciting. It is amazing. Sorry, Drew. We will come a little bit further this way. Let's see. Oh my God, it looks so good. Yay! Oh, that looks so good. Okay, hold on. Let me show you. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Don't die. Oh.
Such a good way to head to you.
Look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely team that. How's your arm? Sorry.
Never been better.
I need you to communicate to me when you feel like you're going to die.
If I was going to die, I would tell you.
Love it. Okay, now let's get a little bit closer. There we go. Yeah, exactly. I was just gonna just turn just a wee bit this way. Yeah, and then tip your head towards the light. Yeah, good. My favorite part was that your default was just like making a face. I debated going to the gym this morning and I'm glad I didn't, because if I did a leg day and then tried doing this, I would die. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
That's the shot.
Yep.
That's all we
The little
don't
strip
need to
in
go
the dress.
Right?
I am the night sky.
You are the night sky. Look at you go.
Now,
That's always such a
here you go.
High fives.
High fives. Which way do we do this? Cool. Yeah, I definitely took like 10,000 photos. Not quite, but like I took a lot. Smoke bomb, exit stage left.
Yep.
That's stage right,
Well,
but
like,
whatever.